clues fit together. The answer seems clear. It should be that's hazu다. Hazuda means should or is supposed to. Use it with a verb. For adjectives use hazuda. For na adjectives add na. For nouns add no. It's based on logic or evidence, not just a guess. 1時間前に家を出たからもう家にいるはずだ。He left an hour ago, so he should be home by now. 今日は日曜日だから銀行は休みのはずだ。Today is Sunday, so the bank should be closed. It should be, the clues agree. When you've reached a logical conclusion, it's different from bekida. Hazuda uses evidence or logic. Bekida expresses what you think should happen. Don't use hazuda for future plans. Instead, use yote or tsumori. ペンギンは寒いところで暮らすからところでは生きられないはずだ。 Penguins live in cold places, so they shouldn't be able to live somewhere hot. 北村さんは甘いものが大好きだからこのチョコレートも好きなはずだ。北村Love sweet, so they should like this chocolate too. The evidence points to one answer. That's hazuda.